Chapter 8 AI for Learning and Career Growth. Upskilling, AI driven education, and staying relevant in a rapidly changing job market. Gen X in the workforce. The balancing act. Let's get real. Gen X is at a weird crossroads in the job market. We're not the fresh faced kids employers are looking to mold. We're not the retirement bound boomers coasting towards their pensions. And we're competing with millennials and Gen Z who seem to be born with smartphones in their hands and somehow have the confidence to demand six figures on day one. And to make things even more interesting, AI is shaking up entire industries faster than we can say, wait, we just figured out LinkedIn. But here's the thing, we've been here before. We survived the transitions from typewriters to computers. We figured out the internet while older generations dismissed it as a fad. We adapted when smartphones changed the way we communicate. AI is just another shift, and if there's one thing Gen X knows how to do, it's adapt and thrive. The key? Using AI as a tool to stay ahead of the game. This chapter is all about how AI is revolutionizing learning and career growth, and how Gen X can leverage it to stay relevant, competitive, and financially secure in the evolving workforce. The workforce shift. Why upskilling is non negotiable. Once upon a time, a college degree and a solid resume were all you needed to land a good job. Now, not so much. Half of today's jobs didn't exist 20 years ago. AI is automating repetitive tasks, forcing professionals to develop new skills. Lifelong learning is now a survival skill, not just a nice to have. The most dangerous career move right now is to stay stagnant, because AI isn't waiting for anyone. The good news, AI is not just a disruptor. It's also a powerful tool for learning and career growth. Let's break down three key ways AI is transforming education and upskilling for mid-career professionals. 1. AI-powered personalized learning. Real-world examples include things like Coursera, edX, and Udacity AI-powered learning systems. What it does. AI-powered education platforms customize learning paths based on your experience, goals, and skill level. They identify weak spots and adjust lessons in real time to help you improve. AI tutors provide instant feedback, answer questions, and suggest additional resources. Why it's a game changer? Traditional education was one size fits all, which meant some people got bored and checked out. Others struggled but didn't get the support they needed. Everyone learned at the same pace, regardless of individual strengths. Now, AI-driven platforms can create personalized learning experiences so you don't waste time on things that you already know. Focus on skills that actually matter for your career. Learn at your own pace without feeling lost or overwhelmed. For Gen Xers balancing work, family, and life, AI-powered learning means we can upskill without quitting our jobs or going back to school full time. 2. AI in resume building and career transitioning. Real-world examples include LinkedIn Learning and AI resume assistants like Kick Resume or JobScan. What it does? AI-powered resume tools analyze job descriptions and optimize your resume for hiring algorithms. Career coaching AI suggests new career paths based on your experience and skills. AI-powered LinkedIn tools help craft better job applications and networking strategies. Why it's a game changer? Well, do you remember when job hunting meant mailing physical resumes and waiting weeks for a reply? Cold calling companies and hoping to catch a decision maker on the phone? Spending hours tweaking your resume without knowing if it was even effective? Well, now AI tools do the heavy lifting. They scan thousands of job postings and tell you which ones are the best fit. They optimize resumes so they actually pass the applicant tracking system filters. They suggest new career paths if your industry is changing or if you're just ready for a switch. For Gen X, this is career insurance. AI makes job hunting, networking, career transitions smarter, faster, and way less painful. 3. AI as a workplace productivity booster. Real world examples: ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Microsoft Copilot. What it does: AI powered tools automate emails, reports, and presentations, saving hours of work. AI helps summarize meetings, transcribe notes, and organize tasks efficiently. AI acts as a real time brainstorming partner, generating ideas and improving workflows. Why it's a game changer? We grew up in a workplace where reports were written by hand or on clunky word processors. Meetings were long, unstructured, and sometimes completely pointless. Productivity meant staying late and grinding it out. Now, AI cuts down busy work, helping us automate repetitive tasks so we can focus on strategy, creativity, and leadership, or streamline communication. No more 40 email chains to schedule a meeting. Work smarter, not longer. For Gen Xers, juggling leadership roles, growing responsibilities, and evolving industries, AI driven productivity tools are a career lifesaver. The future of AI and career growth. What's coming next? If AI is already helping us upskill and work smarter, what's next? Well, here's a look at what's coming in the next 5 to 10 years. AI driven career GPS platforms. AI will analyze job market trends, predict which skills will be in demand, and suggest training paths before industries shift. It will function like a career GPS, guiding professionals towards higher paying, future proof roles. 2. AI powered mentorship and coaching. AI will match professionals with mentors based on career goals, industry, and learning styles. AI will simulate real world business challenges, providing interactive coaching sessions tailored to individual needs. 3. AI generated workplace assistants for every role. AI will personalize workflows, handle scheduling, and optimize daily tasks automatically. Companies will integrate AI powered career development assistants that keep employees on track for promotion and raises. Final thoughts: Gen X, it's time to embrace AI for career longevity. The biggest mistake we can make: ignoring AI. The job market is evolving fast, and AI is already shaping the future of work. But here's the thing: AI isn't replacing us, it's enhancing us. It's making learning easier, it's making career transitions smoother, it's making work less stressful and more productive. And Gen X, we've already adapted to so much. We embraced the internet when it was new. We survived social media taking over the world. We went from paper maps to GPS without even looking back. AI, this is just the next step. So let's stop fearing it, start using it, and make AI work for us. Because if AI can help us stay competitive, future proof our careers, and maybe even free up more time for ourselves, then why wouldn't we take full advantage? Summary: how AI can boost career growth. AI powered education makes upskilling easy. AI driven job search and resume tools help optimize careers. AI productivity assistants eliminate busy work. So let's embrace AI, because the future of work belongs to those who know how to use it.